I am freezing cold. I've been walking for the past a good 3 hours hiking across this kind of terrain to get to this glacier. Now, because I've been hiking wearing so many layers, I've been sweating inside my clothes because I'm wearing so many layers and I couldn't carry it all myself. So now when it does come to it, when I do get there at night, it does unfortunately mean that I will be that much colder. Because the cold air will make the water go cold, and cold water will make you more cold than cold air can do by itself. It's been a long journey walking in. It's been absolute hell. It's a lot further than I thought it was going to be, but I'm almost there. It's a shame we didn't really film it all, just purely because I'm under time pressure. It's about 6 o'clock now. Sun will be going down soon, so I really needed to get to the glacier as soon as I could. You can see my nose is already going. It's freezing. It is so cold. It's so windy. The winds have picked up and it is expected to rain as well. See that white part? It's the glacier. So I'm not far from the foot. Now I feel a lot happier now that I'm actually like in the gear, getting ready to go, because I wasn't wearing this orange outfit. Because it's so heavy and hot to wear, and now wearing it I do feel a bit better, but it is absolutely cold. I do dread the moment when I have to go to sleep. It's the moment I start sleeping. You're going to lower your metabolic, you're going to lower your basal metabolic rate, and that's when the trouble comes in. When your heart's not beating fast enough, your body's getting colder, you can slip into hypothermia quite easy, you know, have a little snow nap. But yeah, let's see what I can do out here. Oh god, it's just one hell of a... Wow, I would have fallen down. Oh god, let's get up. That fall actually brings you on to my point. Now this is actually the same glacier that Batman Begins was shot. You know, that quote on there when Alfred goes to little Christian Bale, you know, also known as Bruce Wayne. It's something like along the lines of, it's not how you fall, it's about how you pick yourself back up again. Now it's going to be a hard challenge tonight, and that's how it's going to be. Also, Interstellar was also shot around here. You know, the ice planet scenes were shot on this glacier, and the water planet scenes were shot out at sea, at the shore of a kind of a bay type area. Look at it. It's absolutely, it does feel exactly like an alien planet. Like, you could definitely film amazing movies here. Like, look at it. It is just... I'm very near the foot of the glacier now. I'm doing this challenge without food, without water. It'll be a one-night challenge, so that should be quite easy. I'm not bringing any fire making tools out here, so all I've got to keep me warm is what I'm wearing right now. You can hear the sound of that river going. Well, more of a stream, to be honest. I bet the water is probably as fresh as you get. It's glacial water. So I've essentially done there. I've already figured out a place where on my return back to civilization, I've got fresh water to drink. So that's one thing off my mind. But you know, my main concern is always going to be body temperature. Look at that. Gotta make sure I don't fall down now. Easily done, easily done. And look at it. It's absolutely beautiful. Now, as beautiful as it may be, it's an absolute killer tonight. It's gonna absolutely kill me. I know that for sure. You can see by the spots in there, it's already been raining a bit, but it is scheduled to rain quite a bit. Well, it's quite a lot of sludge there, look. I got a little cave over there, but it's not one you want to be in because it's full of water and you never know when that's going to collapse. Well, get across here and that should be done. You see, we've already got ice. I don't know how deep this is. As you can see, it's very, very deep. Oh my god. Oh, God. Still recording. My god. Ah, that's the sound. God. That was a bloody close one. That was a bloody close one. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. How my camera survived that? Oh my god, my hands are wet. Now I'm gonna be so much colder now. This is wet as well. What I should have done is taken this route. Oh, look at this route. Look how easy it is. My god. See? I went too fast. I thought I was Action Man, and I paid the price. Why did I not just cross over here? Okay, let me just look at that. That's quite pretty. Oh, we're not going to fall down there. You fall down there, you're trapped. When you kind of feel like this gets a bit interstellar-y, I can already see it. Because it's quite a dirty ice. Because of the volcanic ash in Interstellar. I'm so wet. Oh my god. The force of that river, that stream, or whatever it is so deceptively strong. I felt the force of that. That was very fast. I'm so happy I saved my camera. Literally, when I went in, quickly pushed it to the side, but because I'm tethered down, and I said that literally a few minutes ago, because I'm tethered down with this microphone, it dragged on. So I just had to grab onto the bank, push it again, climb myself in. My god, that is what you call action. That is absolute action. You know, this means, at least now I know, be careful. If you don't know how deep it is, do not walk in it. It's basic advice, but it's so easy to forget. I'm gonna have to take these gloves off now soon because they are wet. What I will try to do, I'm gonna wear them until it gets too dark. I say dark or too cold. I'm gonna try to help my body heat, my hand heat dries it a bit, because I really do need these gloves tonight. That's absolutely terrifying. I could have died. I'm wet inside here. This is not fully sealed up because I didn't have any plans to go underwater. So my top's now wet. That's going to get very cold. I'm hoping my body heat will dry out. So I'm going to keep on walking. The more I walk, look at that. You can easily fall down. You can easily fall down, those. Break an ankle. Break an ankle. Who's going to help me? Absolutely no one. I'm a good 10 miles away from the nearest person in that direction. No one's ever going to hear you. Oh my God, it's cold. Now if I keep on walking, that'll increase heart rate, increase my body temperature. Hopefully that will dry my top inside. This is very uncomfortable to wear. It's a bit too tight. I'm just happy my camera survived that. You can see how cold it is by these frozen streams. Tonight, that means it's going to be a cold night, because this has not been frozen in the past day. It wasn't water and turned into ice. This is ice almost permanently. So every night, every day, it doesn't get warm enough to melt it. This is the glacier. It's dirty, don't get me wrong. There's ash on it, but I'm on the glacier at the moment. I can feel my trousers getting a bit damp from walking. I'm wearing 4 trousers underneath this suit, so you can understand that my lower body is getting quite warm. Thing is, it's gonna get dark very soon. Now, if I'm trying to walk in the dark to stay warm, check this out. One small hole, and you're not getting out of that. You're going to break your legs, you're going to smash at your face, and you're not climbing out of that at all. Nobody knows I'm out here. Obviously friends know I'm out here, they don't know where I am. And even if they did, how do you send a search party to search an area this big? It's not possible. Even if there's a helicopter involved, how are you going to see down a little crevasse? You've got to be very careful out here. I'm going to slow down my pace of walking. This will mean that I don't get as hot and I don't get sweaty, because I can feel dampness inside me. You know, I'm going to just slow down right now. So it's starting to rain now, put a big camera away. All my stuff's wet. Look at this. My gloves are wet. Everything is wet. I'm getting very, very cold already. So this is basic walking. Now, I'm walking to stay warm at this point. Even my black gloves are completely soaked. Got 3 pairs of gloves. Wool gloves, these latex gloves, and these. Every single one is wet. Luckily, I've got myself a underwater torch, so this ain't getting damaged by the rain at all. Just gonna keep on walking, keep myself warm. The longer through the night I can keep on walking, the better. You may burn a lot of calories, but it's better than nothing. You've got to be careful every step. Easily break your ankle down there. Break your ankle, how are you going to get out? No one's going to help you. No one knows where I am exactly. There's no range, there's no park range to know where I am. I've been told it's against the rules. That's to go out to Glacier. So yeah, if I get in trouble, I'm screwed. But to be honest, I'll probably freeze to death before I die from staying stuck in sun. Before I die from staying stuck inside a crevasse. Is going to set my heat away from me, but I don't feel like I've got much choice. I'm just knackered, I'm so hungry. I've been hiking since like 3:30 maybe. It's a good 5 or so hours, probably about 8 o'clock now. I'm just knackered, I just haven't eaten. I'm tired as well, I just want to sleep. It's raining still. I just want a nice bad move. I don't have like a snow nap. It's just a nap where you fall to sleep in the snow, you never wake up. I'm just just too tired. I've got my bag down already. But here, this here will form like a natural wind protection. So I'm just gonna take a seat. Keep my light on there. I don't know why I'm here now. Let's walk through. This is good night for now. It's just so uncomfortable. Oh. This is really uncomfortable because it's so slippery. I'm a bit thirsty actually. I know obviously ice will lower your body temperature, but it's a good hydration. I've got no idea how to sleep on ice. Like this, like that. Oh, that's good. That's right. Top of bed. Ready to sleep. That's so wet. Okay. Hopefully I'm in frame. There we go, so we're okay. It feels so cold. Rain does not help. The floor being ice means that it is sapping my body heat. It's sapping my body heat. I just want to fall asleep. I don't care. I honestly do not care how cold the floor is. Oh my god, breathing in and out, you can feel the cold air coming in. I don't care. Just let me go to sleep. I honestly don't care. Just let me sleep this out. It's so cold. It's so cold. Oh my god. Oh, it's so cold. Bloody cold. It's getting dark. Every part of my body that's touching the ground is getting colder and colder. My side, my arms, my hands. My hands getting cold. It's just bad. Oh. freaking cold. It's so cold. So cold. Oh my god. It is unreal how cold it is. Oh my god. I'm getting too cold, I'm getting too cold. Oh my god, it's cold. So cold. I'm on ice. I'm trying to sleep on ice. I don't think I can stay on the ice. As much as it's nice to rest, I need to be moving. But I hate getting off myself. I'm tired. I'm so tired. Oh. Okay, I just had a dream / hallucination. I thought I could hear a gate opening. And I thought I was next to the main road. Like, it literally in my eyes. It was like 10 metres away, 20 metres away, and there's people here. And the porch light was like the headlamp of a car, I think. I'm so many miles away from anybody. A good 10 miles from the nearest person. And that's 10 miles in the dark. Across ice, across streams. Oh my god, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold! Oh, 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 it's so cold. Wow. Oh my god. Ah. My hands feel like they're on fire, it's that cold. God. Oh. It's so cold. Oh my god, it's too cold, it's too cold. I'm tired as hell. I'm very tired, but it's just too cold. It's too cold to lie down. Oh, I'm gonna just try and move around if I can. Oh, oh my god. Oh, it's so cold, so cold. Oh my god. I want to face the other side. The wind's coming this way, so if I face the other side, it'll block my face out from the wind. Oh, okay, it's time to sing a song. Okay. I don't know why I'm gonna start this night. Now, hello London! What I like about this, I'm going to treat this like a microphone. What I like about this is that you can shout all you want. Hello! Ah. Hello London! We're going to play all of our greatest hits! You got any requests? I can't hear you! Have you got any requests? Okay, let's play one of the favourites. I spent some time sleeping on the floor, and my god, that ice absolutely takes the heat from you. Whatever body part is touching the floor, that gets cold, and then quickly, no matter what, your hands get cold, because that's always an extremity. My back is hurting because I've spent so much time trying to stand up and just moving around like this. Move my feet and move my arms. Sometimes going for a boxing motion. Oh my god, it is tiring. The thing is, if I fall to sleep, that's when it hurts. A few times I've actually ended up falling asleep while standing up. So I just like had a quick dream and nodded and almost fell down. Yeah, I'm gonna dance my way out of this. Thing is, I'm so tired and I'm out of energy. You've got to keep on going. Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh my god, it's so cold. Oh my god. Oh. I'm getting even colder. I'm trying to sit down instead of lying down, because lying down means more parts of your body are touching the floor, the ice. Sitting down just means my bum and my ankles touch the ice. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know how much more I can take. So I'm trying to sit down instead of lying down now. The advantage of this is that when you're lying down, your whole body or half of your body is touching the floor. When you're sitting down, it's just your bum and your ankles. This is helping a bit, but I feel like I'm still freezing cold. Starting to shiver quite a lot now, even though the rain stopped. The problem is I don't have the energy to keep on moving to keep my body temperature up. I know that shivering does, 10 minutes of shivering is equal to about an hour of exercise in the amount of calories burnt. So you got to be very careful of that fact. It is, if you don't already know, fun fact to keep you entertained. This is the largest glacier by volume in the whole of Europe. It's just beaten by glacier in area only in Svalbard, Norway. But that island is essentially just one giant glacier. Oh my god, my nose is running so bad I don't even care anymore. I stopped caring after the first few minutes. My hands are so cold, it doesn't matter whether I've got the gloves on or off, they're just going to be freezing cold because the gloves all got wet. They got wet before it even got into the glacier. It's kind of screwed me over. Oh god. The iron is just right. Just gonna try to sleep. Well, just sitting up. Oh god. I can't even hold the camera straight anymore. You know what? I'm just gonna try to sleep. I don't care how cold I get. If I can sleep my way through it, I can sleep my way through it. Only be a positive. Oh my god, look at it. See if you can see the temperature on here. My hands are so close to frozen. Look at the temperature. It's about 2 degrees out here. It's very cold. You got the wind chill, and then you've also got the fact that you are lying down on ice. So cold. My god. I got just the night. Oh god. Oh my god. It's not warm, but my god, it provides something that isn't cold. Oh. Oh my god, I feel so good. It's not even hot, but it's just nice not to feel something that's, it's not, it's not even hot, but it's nice to feel something that doesn't feel cold. Oh yeah, no, man. I'm pretty sure I've also busted my knee, my left knee. Oh god. Oh god. So just a few hours ago, gotten up from a bit of a sleep, just kind of sorting my cameras out. What I'm going to do is go for a hike to stay warm. I'm going to leave my bags where they are, and I'm just going to go hike, walk around, because it's the only way it's going to motivate me to keep on walking. You know, dancing doesn't work, walking hopefully should. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I want to use some emergency glow sticks so I can kind of mark my route back to my bag, because I don't want to lose that. You know, in this kind of environment, everything looks exactly the same. Fortunately, that route's a dead end. You know, there's a really sharp drop and some deep crevasses which you can't get out of. What I am going to do, I'm going to use my drone. I'm going to use that to look for kind of a different easy hiking route to go. Just getting myself back to camp. You might be able to see this, you might not, because of the lighting. Oh, it's so cold. Oh god. Oh, you gotta keep moving. Oh, I don't care how. Keep moving. Why do I feel like something's. Oh, my foot's gone. Oh. When we go back, it's not just a thing of the shade of time what you see, it's hard to explain. When you see you act the wrong way, I like the way you act, and I think I was falling to sleep. Oh, okay. Oh god. I think I dozed off again. It's the third time. Oh god, stay warm, stay focused. The more you film, the more awake you will be. Stay awake, stay filming, stay awake, stay filming. If you stay filming, you're gonna stay awake. See things in a bit better clarity in the distance now. There's more light that's turning up. Oh. Yeah, so it's good. I can see the outlines of the mountains on that side. And I can see the outlines of some of the mountains on that side. It's getting lighter. The sun will rise. And that's when it's going to be warm again. Not immediately, but in that day. Oh, I need to lie down. 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 Oh. I need to lie down. I'm gonna lie down. I'm gonna lie down. I'm gonna lie down. Oh, I need to lie down. Oh god, I'm so tired. so cold. Ah! Ah! I'm tired and I'm cold. Oh, oh. I can't sit down. Oh, it's gonna be even colder. Oh, oh, oh my God, it feels good to lie down. Oh my God, oh, it feels good. Oh, 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 it feels good. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God, oh, it's cold, but oh my God, it's nice not to be on your feet. Oh, 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 oh. This may be the colder choice than standing up, but it's good just to close your eyes and lie down and take the cold. Oh, 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 oh my God, it's really cold now. Oh, my hands don't even feel like they're there anymore.
Pulled the trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life had just begun, and now I'm gonna throw it all away. Mama, ooh, didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again sometime tomorrow, carry on, carry on.
Oh, oh, it's good days. Oh my God, it's cold. Oh, oh my God. This glove is so wet, it's so wet, it's so wet. Oh. I successfully done a night out challenge on the Glacier, just using what I was wearing, all this gear. A lot of my electronic gear malfunctioned, but yeah, did it without having to take fire, without being allowed to make fire. So now I've got to pack up and go.